A Boone County judge denied the state attorney general's request to immediately stop Columbia Public Schools' mask mandate. Thanks for being with us at 5. I'm Chanel Porter. Deborah has the night off and Zach is on assignment. Today was the first hearing in the attorney general's case against CPS for having a mask requirement. ABC 17's Hannah Falcon was at the hearing and joins us live from the courthouse. Hannah, the judge denied several motions today from both sides.
Chanel, the judge denied the Attorney General's request for class action and for preliminary injunction, as well as the CPS's request to dismiss the case.
Judge Brock Jacobs denied a motion to suspend the mask mandate at Columbia Public Schools during the Missouri Attorney General's hearing against the district. The Boone County Court heard arguments on that preliminary injunction and a motion to make the lawsuit a class action, which would make it apply to every public school district in Missouri. That was also dismissed. CPS considered this a win. A statement from spokeswoman Michelle Baumstark says the district will continue to fight. At the trial, CPS lawyers argued the state was suing the school district for enforcing COVID recommendations put in place by the state health and education agencies. The Attorney General's office told me it will aggressively pursue this case, and the fight is far from over. I spoke with Ridgeway Elementary parents. Everyone there backed up the school district.
I feel offended as a member of a community that's trying to do basically the least we could do to prevent spread in our community.
This was only the first hearing in the lawsuit. No decision has been made on CPS's mask mandate. Reporting live from Columbia, I'm Hannah Falcon, ABC 17 News.
Hannah, thank you. The Attorney General says it will request documents from CPS on its mask mandate. And looking now at the coronavirus in Cole County. 6 more people have died from COVID-19 in the county. The health department updated the numbers today, which brings the total deaths from COVID-19 to 99. The county also reported 20 new cases. Boone County recorded 38 COVID-19 cases today. This brings the total of active cases to 438. There were 72 COVID-19 patients in local hospitals, with 31 of them being Boone County residents. Across Missouri today, more than 1,500 new COVID-19 cases were reported. The 7-day positivity rate fell to 9.1%. 141 new virus-related deaths were added. Officials say 136 of them came from a weekly check of death certificates. This brings deaths since the start of the pandemic to close to 11,500. More than 2.9 million Missourians have been fully vaccinated, bringing the percentage to 47.5% of the state's population. In Columbia Public Schools, there are 32 active student COVID-19 cases, plus 176 students in quarantine. This brings the number of total students affected by COVID-19 to 208. 136 of them are at the elementary level. 5 staff members are also quarantined because of the virus. 2 new student cases were added in Jefferson City, bringing that total of active cases to 7. School-based and community outreach flu shot clinics will begin next week for Boone County schools. Starting next Wednesday, October 6th, doses will be given out at the Harrisburg School District Central Office. On October 13th, shots are available at Centralia Intermediate. Plus, within the next month, there are clinics at Sturgeon, Hallsville Intermediate, and Southern Boone Primary. All doses will be given out from 3:30 until 6 p.m. The vaccines will be free for those 18 and under, plus the cost for those 19 and older will vary depending on insurance coverage. Temperatures today have been near record highs for September. ABC 17's chief meteorologist Jessica Hafner joins us tonight from our weather center. And Jess, you're also tracking some storms that could be starting as soon as tomorrow night.
Yeah, it's going to feel more like summer again for the rest of tonight and for tomorrow. We'll make it up close to 90 in some spots. Most of us stayed right around 88 to 89 all across mid-Missouri today. So under a record by about 10 degrees, the record today 99. So we didn't get close to that, but certainly warmer than normal. It's definitely been a bright day. Thankfully, we've had lower humidity, so we haven't been feeling the humidity too much today. A little bit of cloud cover trying to build in. We'll see that start to increase into tomorrow. Right now in Columbia, 88 degrees under mainly clear skies. Tonight we'll be dropping back down into the low 60s, so it's another mild start to the day tomorrow. And I'm expecting a dry night followed by a dry morning, getting down to about 63 in Columbia. 62 in the capital city overnight. Another warm day is expected tomorrow, so we'll make it into the mid to upper 80s. Once again, I'll be tracking some cloud cover towards afternoon. That'll limit us from getting to 90 degrees, but still much warmer than normal than we expect for this time of year. Here's what we can expect now. Things are quiet for the rest of tonight with high pressure off to our north, tracking a couple of showers and thunderstorms trying to develop to our southwest. A couple of those could try to move in by late tomorrow afternoon or evening. Here's what that looks like on the latest future track. Again, a mild morning, no jacket needed at the bus stop. In fact, it's going to be another hot afternoon as many of us make it into the upper 80s. There will be a chance for a spot shower or storm as that disturbance starts to get a little bit closer to us by Wednesday afternoon, but better shot will be overnight with those showers and storms becoming more numerous through morning. Likely want to have the umbrella on hand at the bus stop or for your morning commute on Thursday. We'll get a little bit of a break in the afternoon that will allow temperatures to warm back up into the lower 80s, but we'll have another push of showers and a few thunderstorms into Friday and Friday night. It looks like we're going to hang on to the rain chances through the weekend as well. That rain in the area should start to cool things down. We'll see highs in the upper 70s on Saturday and Sunday, and tracking a bit of a cooler pattern into next week. I'll show you that big pattern change in my next forecast.
Chinooks supermarkets are reducing their hours because of staffing issues starting next week. ABC 17's Kennedy Miller joins me live in studio tonight. In Kennedy, the store in Columbia will offer a bonus to all employees.
Effective October 4th, all Chinooks shopping markets will start closing an hour early. They'll soon be open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. The deli, meat, and seafood counters will be open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. The change of store hours are a result of the COVID-19 pandemic that has swayed the labor market nationwide. Chinooks know how difficult it can be working at their stores with a shortage of employees. So they have decided to award employees a teammate performance and retention bonus. This bonus is based on hours worked each week and will be effective for new employees. On October 7th, Chinooks will host a job fair, scout new candidates. Paul Simon said that the company brought in nearly 600 new individuals last year at their job fair, so he's hopeful for the year's turnout.
All store locations from 1 to 5 p.m. Folks can interview and meet with one of our job recruiters on walk-in basis.
The bonus provided to Chinooks employees will be up to $600 and will be paid in January.
Kennedy, thank you. Chinooks encourages the community to attend their company job fair. Information on that can be found on the company's website. An MU softball player is out of the hospital after a crash on I-70 yesterday in Boone County. The Highway Patrol says a semi-truck hit the back of Hattie Moore's car on I-70 near the 117-mile marker. Moore was stopped in traffic because of construction when the truck driven by Chester Jackson hit her from behind. MU Healthcare tells us Moore was treated and released from the hospital.